It's Erica Henry here, and I make art videos. So today I'm going to show you some good resources for learning your gestures and learning how to do gesture drawings. The first one I'm going to show you today is reference.sketchdaily.net. I'm going to put all of the links in the description below, so you don't have to write these down right now, but I just kind of want to play around and show you how these work. When you come to this one, you can select what gender you want, male and female, what kind of pose, action, or stationary, what view you want of them, front, back, side, all, and the amount of time you want to draw the gestures, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You can also do specific body parts, and then also animals. So lots of options. So we're going to go with full body, leave everything as default. Now, there is artistic nudity on this site. I can't find a way to cut that off, so if that bothers you, you won't want to come here. But, at least in my opinion, nudity is just nudity. It helps you learn to draw the form. So, just a heads up there. So, we're going to hit start. And if you notice here, there is a timer that counts down. And once it counts down all the way, it flips to the next image. So that just gives you some ideas. They're not all in costumes, as you can see. There's just a lot of variation in what's on this site. So that's really awesome to me. All right, we're going to hit pause here. Now the next one I'm going to show you is characterdesigns.com. And there are a lot of nude and non-nude references, so you can pick between. There's people in events, Anime Expo, cosplay, lots of options here. Let's pull some up just to kind of show you. So they're in different categories, and you can just see, all different poses that's there. There's lots of categories, so there's lots of pictures to choose from. It isn't timed and it isn't random, so that may or may not work to your benefit. Another resource is the website is lineofaction.com or line-of-action.com. I'll place the link below, and here you can choose whether or not you want all models that have clothing or don't have clothing, or you can choose just nude, or they call it only decent but models that are clothed. You can include both genders or female or male. You can do all the same length or class mode, and then you can choose your time interval as well. Let's just go with like 5 seconds here so we can see it moving through. And we're going to hit get drawing, and then a timer is in this corner, and once it hits 0, it will switch to another pose, which is really awesome. It gives it forces you to really quickly make those gesture drawings and get those line of action poses going. So those are 3 different websites that you might find handy as an artist to use as reference or to work on your gesture drawings as well. If you're like me, I get too lost in the details, and I find gesture drawing very hard because I want to draw everything. So things like lineofaction.com and then also Sketch Daily Gesture really helped me out, and I'm so glad that I found them because now I'll be able to really force myself to work on my gestures. So I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you would like to see, please comment below. Have you ever used these sites before? Are there any sites that you enjoy more or that you would like for me to check out? Please comment that below as well. Again, I'm Erica Henry, and thanks for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching. You can click to check out another video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the newest videos that come out. Please remember to comment below on what you'd like to see next. I want to hear from you because you guys help guide me on where to go.